As you have already learned from our previous modules, once cleaning validation is complete, the process is considered effective only while the validated conditions continue to apply. However, during routine manufacturing, changes may occur gradually and independently. While each change may appear minor, their relevance lies in whether they alter the validated assumptions related to cleaning effectiveness. The following change areas are most commonly linked to changes in validated cleaning conditions: changes related to equipment wear, surface condition, repairs, or component replacement, changes in detergents, water quality, or utility performance, differences between validated procedures and routine execution, including informal workarounds or gradual drift, introduction of new products, formulation changes, or altered production sequencing, changes in personnel, training effectiveness, or task ownership that may introduce execution variability. Changes across equipment, procedures, products, and people do not automatically compromise cleaning effectiveness, but they can influence whether validated assumptions continue to apply. Keeping these change areas visible over time supports informed oversight of the cleaning process and helps ensure that confidence in cleaning effectiveness remains justified during routine manufacturing.